Okay guys, this morning we are in Mahahual in Quintana on the Costa Maya, and we got these bikes rented for the day. It's supposed to rain later, so we're getting out early. Yesterday we went south through the busy part of town, and today we're going north just to explore a little bit here. Looks like there's a road that goes along the coast, so we'll see if we can find some nice beach or whatever we see. Just exploring a little bit, that's all. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've made it down to the cruise ship terminal here, and this is where you rent golf carts. So when you get off the boat, there'll be a bunch of taxis waiting, and of course they want you to rent golf carts so you can cruise around for the day. 60 US per day for 4 people. That's a lot. In Sayulita it was 40 a day for us, so, and that didn't matter how many people you had. But yeah, apparently the taxis will rip off tourists. They'll charge $8 US, and then the locals only have to pay 20 pesos, which is $1.50. So as soon as they see a tourist from the cruise ship, beware, they're gonna try to gyp you. And apparently everything will be in US dollars, because the cruise ship tourists will have US dollars. So on the menu it'll say US dollars, and the conversion rate is all fucked up, and you'll have to pay like double.
Oh, look at that.
Oh damn, is that a Mayan ruin? What the fuck? So we're just riding by, and look at this like Mayan pyramid thing. I had no idea there was any kind of ruins here. Unless it's recent, I don't know. Check it out, I guess. Apparently this is a replica of another Mayan pyramid called Kachobin. The nearest Mayan temples, I bet. That's pretty dope. Big marlin up there. No one's around yet. There's the lighthouse. So we stopped in this little beautiful spot next to the Mahahual sign. And there's supposed to be 3 cruise ships today. You can see one there, and then another one lined up. And I'm sure the other one's gonna come later, so there'll be thousands of people here. It's a Virgin cruise ship. Richard Branson, baby. So we're just cruising on this trail up north. On Google Maps it shows a road here, so figured we'll take this. Just cruising along the coast. Looks like someone's camping here. Quebec, fellow Canadians. They came all the way down from Canada to escape Trudeau. Just joking, probably the weather. Or both. So just cruising along, looked to the left, saw this. Beware of crocodiles. And I said to myself, now that sounds like somewhere I want to be. Wow, it's a cenote.
Is it?
Yeah. At least I think so. It seems like one. I don't see any crocodilians over here. Cocodrilos. Maybe it could be just a swamp. Let me just get in a little closer. If only I could see a crocodile, that'd be kind of cool. A lot of trash though, it's fucking sad. There is lots of trash in Mahahual. Huh. I don't really see any from here. Damn it. So we made a little stop at the beach. This is all coral. All coral. Yeah, I saw in some other videos there's apparently a huge problem with coral die-off. Coral bleaching. As the ocean water gets warmer by small percentages, the coral can't live anymore. It gets coral bleaching and it just dies off. And this is the second biggest reef in the world. So it's sad that it's dying off. Hopefully they can figure something out. There's so much garbage out here, it's unbelievable. Just smashed bottles everywhere. Fucking such a shame, man. Such a beautiful area, and it's just a shame people gotta ruin it. You can check out these tide pools here. There's the lighthouse from a distance. All right, guys, we've seen the north part of Mahahual. Not very clean, we'll say that. It's a little bit sad how much trash there is over here. It would be so beautiful if there wasn't. But yeah, now we're gonna go. I'm running out of room on my phone, so I won't be able to record much more, but we're gonna go get groceries and then eat some food. And then we'll go uptown later and check that out. Should be a madhouse with all those cruise ship tourists.